Frustrated by trying to build a music following? Well, here's 5 simple tips to remember. Number 1, consistency.
Man, if you guys want to grow, you have to do this daily. Some people will tell you have to post at least twice a day on Instagram. You have to do at least 4 reels per week. That's a lot of stuff, but you just have to get on there, schedule your time, and do it. The more you're on it within reason, the faster you will grow.
Number 2, engagement.
You literally have to respond to every single comment and like on your socials. You also have to reach out and take the initiative and try to start the conversation with other people by posting on their socials as well. Like they say, if you're not talking, you're not building.
Number 3, don't oversell.
Don't oversell yourself, you guys, by always pushing your stuff out there. You have to have a nice balance between give, take, and your fans are going to appreciate you much more that way.
Number 4, utilize multiple promotion strategies.
To utilize multiple forms of promotion to grow your audience. There's more to this than just the internet, of course, right? There's publicity, there's advertising, there's the internet, guerrilla street marketing, sponsorships, radio, word of mouth marketing, there's direct marketing, and there's sales promotions. That's a lot of stuff. And when people hear messages from different places, it really helps to sink in their mind and come aboard, join your fan club, etc., and become a fan, which is only going to make your fan base even greater.
Number 5, measure your marketing.
Man, you always have to check your analytics to see what is working and what is not working. For instance, on your YouTube, what is your click-through rate? What is your watch time hours? These are all important because then you can adjust and you can make things better if it's not working. Because as they say, the definition of insanity is doing the same things over and over again and expecting different results.
2 of the best books on the music industry are available on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications to the channel as well so you can get alerted of new videos. Peace.